Thank you for joining us today. And this is about cloud being the new normal, seeing especially development moving more and more into the public cloud. We're seeing more cloud native apps being developed, let's say disconnected from hardware concerns. If we look at it, virtualization has really paved the way to where we are today, especially since the early 2000s. Virtualization has allowed us to use hardware better and make it cheaper. But you still had hardware, you still had to manage the hardware, you still had to acquire the hardware, you had to go over all the skills that went in that. Even virtualization has a significant cost, and specifically, you pick up a lot of technical debt. Can you get rid of a technical debt? That's what the public cloud is about. Rather than managing your own hardware, you can run multiple instances as of your own machines. You can maintain and manage them, and you can turn them off when you don't need it. A lot of developers are finding huge benefits from that. A lot of companies are, especially if you're taking a hybrid approach.
You just got to be careful of building something that's too unique to your organization, because if the skill set that built that moves, then you're sitting with a problem. So just be careful of moving away from an established business process and make sure you can interface with other systems as well.
We have a free tier that helps startup companies. They can run for up to a year without paying for some of the AWS services that qualify for the free tier. So a lot of our startups can run their businesses. And we do have programs like POC funding, which we work through with our partners like BCX. So you can approach BCX to understand your workload, to understand your scope of work, and then happy to get something like a proof of concept funding if that's what you're looking for.
Katlego, thank you for joining us. I believe you are currently on a bike trip, as you can see from your build. That's not a virtual background, by the way, people. That's actually where she is. How are you today?
I'm very good, James. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. Thank you very much. We're looking forward to you telling a bit of your story. So I'm going to hand over to you because I don't want to keep you away from that beautiful environment.
Thank you so much. We are a boutique digital marketing and technology company, and our existence really lies in working with brands to build campaigns and digital solutions, making sure that quality education is accessible to everyone and not just a few. And this is our way of, making that change and making, an impact in South Africa. And I think education is one of the tools that is going to really alleviate our country from struggles that we face.
Let's get out there, build more of these apps. It is so much faster, cheaper, and easier to leverage these public cloud platforms such as AWS to build things out there. I'd like to thank our sponsors, BCX, First Distribution, and AWS as well. This has been a ITWeb webinar. My name is James Francis. I was your facilitator for today. Please enjoy the rest of the day. Don't stay in the dark for too long, and we'll see you at the next one. Thank you and goodbye.